Welcome to the digital age, where earning money online is not just possible, it's incredibly versatile. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. Use your skills, whether in writing, graphic design, or coding, on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Next, affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products. It's all about sharing links on your blog or social media. Then there's selling products online. From handmade goods on Etsy to launching an e-commerce store, the possibilities are endless. Don't overlook online courses. If you're an expert in a field, why not create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy? Lastly, content creation. Whether you're into blogging, YouTube, or podcasting, creating engaging content can open up multiple revenue streams. Remember, success online requires patience and persistence. Choose what resonates with you and start building your digital empire today.